The aim of the Ancient Graffiti Project is to record and document these ancient writings as fully as possible while they still exist, to study and analyze them, and then to make them available to scholars and the wider public with additional information and context so that they're understandable and so that you too can get a little closer to the ancient world.
Many of the graffiti express thoughts that might be familiar to us today. In this graffito, two men ask for Venus's help in wooing women. It says, Fortunatus loves Amplianda, Januarius loves Veneria. We ask, Mistress Venus, that you keep us in mind, and also that which we now ask of you. One of the most exciting things about the Ancient Graffiti Project is our use of digital technologies to record these ancient graffiti. These technologies ensure that we will preserve these inscriptions digitally for future generations. We've used computational photography through a technique called reflectance transformation imaging to record the graffiti. This technique makes it possible to virtually shine a flashlight on a graffito and move that flashlight using the computer. We've also used photogrammetry, which is taking hundreds of photos of a graffito and virtually stitching them together to create a 3D model of the wall on which a graffito was written. Finally, last field season, we began using iPads in the field. We use these iPads to provide a mobile platform for our database, to take photos of the graffiti, and to draw the graffiti. All of these technologies help us to create a full record for each inscription and to preserve them virtually for the future. Now we'll look at the 3 stages of drawing a graffito with an iPad. Here's how the graffito looks on the wall today. Here's the graffito traced within the photograph. And here is the completed graffito drawing. This graffito says, Vivanius ater ubique, Vivanius ater everywhere.
The Ancient Graffiti Project search engine is a digital resource for studying the graffiti of Herculaneum and Pompeii. Users can browse all graffiti, search by categories, or use interactive maps to select individual or multiple properties to see which graffiti are found within.
Working with the Herculaneum Graffiti Project not only taught me a lot about Herculaneum and about digital archaeology, but also about mentorship and how to contribute to important scholarly work. The project is definitely a large part of why I decided to pursue a career in the classics and why I am now in a classics PhD program studying Roman archaeology. I honestly could not imagine where I would be right now without having worked on the project.